What's up, everybody? Justin here. The Winds of Change is the channel name. Thank you so much for stopping by. I don't want to take up a lot of your time today, but I do want to get you excited about retail arbitrage. The process of buying things at retail stores and then selling them online for a higher cost to make a profit. I got a couple examples of this from my recent stop at Kohl's. I spent about 30 minutes in this store and noticed that they had a 50% off of their makeup sale. So I went over and I scanned some items. Now, this was like towards the end of the sale, so there was only a little bit left. But lucky for me, there were some things there that I could sell online. Let's take a look. First thing I found there was this Pixie by Petra Rose Ceramide Cream. Now, these were on sale for $12. They were $24. They were half off at $12. But when I rang out, they were actually 60% off. They weren't listed like that, but they ended up coming up for $9.60 upon checkout. So let's look at the profit we're going to make here. These things are selling for $29.50. I paid $9.60. I'm going to make $11.92 off of each one. Now, if you look over here, there's $18.93 plus $4.57 shipping. This guy only has one left. And then you come down here to the next one, selling for $29.50, and then on down it goes. So I'm confident that I'm going to get $29.50 out of this. And if we look at the Keepa graph, over the last 3 months, the price has sort of been all over. It's been all the way down to 20. It's been up to 27, up to 27, up to 27, down to 23 on FBA. If we look at the month, same thing, right? So the price is varied. By the way, if you're not familiar with Keepa, it keeps track of pricing and sales rank. So if you look at the green line here, all these down dips, every time it goes down, this green line, that is a change in sales rank. So we can estimate that it made at least one sale when it did that. If you look up here on my Resell, you can see that it had 78 drops in the last 90 days. So 78 drops is going to be about 78 sales. Those items I actually got four of them. And you can see here, there's the price, $12 is what they were listed at on the shelf. And then you can see here, you see there at the bottom, $9.60 is the price that I ended up paying for. So four of these, we're going to say $11 is $44 in profit. Let's check the next one. Next item that we got, some more Pixie Peel and Polish. Picked up two of them. Same thing, listed for $12. I got it for $9.60. So we're going to put $9.60 down here. They're selling for $25. So we're going to make $8.10. If you look here, sales rank 171,000, 51 drops or 51 sales in the last 90 days. If you look at the Keepa graph, price has been pretty steady, 27 down to 25. If you look at the last month, same thing. So this is a pretty steady seller. It's selling pretty decent. I fully expect that this is going to sell pretty quick. That's $8 profit on two items. That's $16. Next item we got has a little bit higher reseller rank, but I got these things pretty cheap. They were $8, half off. So they were $16, and then half off of that is $8. I ended up getting them for 60% off, which was $6.40. And they're selling right now for $22. You notice how there's not a buy box over here? Amazon doesn't like that $22 price, but people are still buying it. So when they don't like the price of something, a lot of times they'll hide a buy box. But you can see down here, $16.59 plus $5.50 shipping, and then you could click up here and you can see all the buying options. $16.99 plus $5.50 shipping, $22 plus $3.99, and then etc., etc. So in the past 90 days, this thing has had 24 drops, and it's a 309,000 seller ranking. So it's not selling uber fast, but we're going to spend $6.40 and make back $9.38. Here's the 3 months. You can see it's not selling super great. In the month, they're selling a few a month. But there's only 4 other people on this listing, so there's only 4 other offers. And then there'll be 5 once I get mine in. So even though this is a little bit higher of a seller rank, I think because there's not a lot of people selling it, that we're going to be fine sending this in for $22. So 3 of these and $9 profit each, that's $27. That's a total of $87 profit that I'm going to be bringing in from 30 hours worth of scanning at a Kohl's. That's pretty good. Anybody can do that. Anybody can stop by on their way home from work. Stop by on your way to work. Stop by in the morning before you go to church. Stop by before you go visit your parents. Stop by before you go visit your kids. Stop by before you go do anything. The point is that it's not that hard to go out there and make some money. Sometimes you can spend a lot of time in these stores and really dig, but you don't always have to. If you've only got a couple hours to go out and source, then use those couple hours to go out and source. Get out of the mindset of, oh, I don't have enough time to go source today. Make a 30-minute stop. You're not going to find something every time, but you're going to find stuff sometimes. And that's what I did here. Spent $76, and I'm going to bring in double that and make $87. I'm doubling my money, plus a little bit extra. That's pretty sweet. You can do that too. You just got to be in the right place at the right time. And you're not always going to know what that is, so you got to go out there and do it. I had no idea that I was going to come across a 50% off sale, and then I had no idea that it was going to actually be 60% off. You can't always tell when these deals are coming up, but one thing's for sure, if you're not out there sourcing, you're not going to find it. Anyway, I hope you all found this video helpful. I hope it got you to think a little bit about, using your time to go out and source, even if you don't have a lot. I hope it got you to sort of realize that there are profitable items out there that you can resell online and that you can make good money doing it. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share, leave a comment, whatever you want to do. And I hope you all have a great morning, night, afternoon, whatever it is that you're watching. I hope you have a good one. And until next time, I will be out there sourcing. Catch you later.